Here I have HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So okay, beauty off. So let's just take some photo with this feature enabled, just for an example. Okay, so as you can see, when you firstly take photo, front camera photo with this device, it asks you if you want to enable or disable mirror reflection. Okay, so let's suppose that we enabled it, and now how we can disable it. So to do this, firstly you have to tap on the gear icon to access settings, and here you can find mirror reflection. And for example, this way you can disable this feature, and as you can see, these photos are mirrored, because on this one we have lighting, this lamp on the right side and on this one on the left side. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.